Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Wolf, and today I have something truly special to share with you. The enchanting world of Himalayan Singing Bowls. If you've ever been curious about how these instruments can bring unique and harmonious energy to our life, you have come to the right place. In this video, I want to go into the various ways we can use Himalayan Singing Bowls to enhance our well-being, bring tranquility into our space, and so much more. So without further ado, let's get into it. Our first stop on this Himalayan Singing Bowl exploration is meditation and mindfulness. This is a topic that holds a special place in the hearts of so many, as those ancient bowls have been trusted companions for those seeking inner peace and mental clarity. You might be wondering, what makes this singing bowl so perfect for meditation and mindfulness practices? Well, it's all about the way they're played and the distinct quality of energy they bring to the experience. When you gently strike or rub the rim of the Himalayan singing bowl, it produces a rich, harmonious sound that seems to resonate with the very essence of tranquility. This sound has a calming effect on the mind and the body. As you sit in a quiet space, focusing on your breath or perhaps a specific mantra, the soothing sounds, the soothing tones of the bowl can guide you into a deeper state of meditation. The vibration created by the singing bowls can serve as an anchor, helping you to stay present and centered in the here and now. As the sound slowly fades away, it is as it carries away the stress and worries of the day, leaving you with a profound sense of relaxation and peace. Incorporating singing bowls into your meditation or mindfulness routine can significantly enhance the experience. It helps to reduce stress, allowing you to let go of the tension and worries that often clouds our minds. It sharpens your focus, making it easier to stay in the present moment. This practice can be especially beneficial for those who struggle with racing thoughts or find it challenging to quiet their mind during meditation. So, if you're looking to elevate your meditation and mindfulness practices, consider adding Himalayan singing bowls to your toolkit. Their serene and resonating sounds can be the key to achieving a profound sense of inner calm, mental clarity, and spiritual connection. But singing bowls are not just for meditation. They are essential tools for promoting physical and emotional well-being. They are integral tools in the practice of sound therapy. So, what exactly is sound therapy and how do these bowls fit into the pictures? Sound therapy, known as sound healing, is an ancient practice that harnesses the power of sound and vibration to promote your physical, emotional well-being. It is based on the principle that sound can have a profound impact on our bodies and minds. The resonating tones of the singing bowls are central to this practice. When a Himalayan singing bowl is played, it emits a captivating and harmonious sound that reverberates through the air, creating a therapeutic experience for both the player but also for the listener. These tones have the unique ability to entrain the brain, which means it can influence and synchronize your brainwave patterns. This entrainment induces deep relaxation, reduces stress, soothes the nervous system. But that's not all. These amazing sounds go beyond relaxation. They can also aid in emotional healing and balance energy within the body. Sound therapy with singing bowls is often used to elevate anxiety, depression, and even aid in the recovery of trauma. The vibrations produced by these bowls can penetrate deep into the body, working on a cellular level. This can help release tension, in muscle, reduce pain, and even promote the healing of injuries. It's like a soothing massage for the entire being. Furthermore, the harmonious resonance of singing bowls can realign the body's energy centers, which we call chakras. These are believed to influence our physical and emotional well-being. By working with specific chakras, singing bowls can help balance and align these energy centers, promoting harmony and vitality. For those on a journey of self-discovery and healing, Himalayan singing bowls can be profound companions. They offer a unique and immersive sound experience that contributes to both physically and emotional well-being. Now, another way we can use these Himalayan singing bowls is the art of Feng Shui. Here, we use them to play a vital role. Feng Shui means wind and water in Chinese. It's a practice that's been around for thousands of years. It's based on the belief that the arrangement and design of your living space can affect your life's energy or qi. Feng Shui principles are applied to create harmonious environments that promote positive energy flow and well-being. Now, you might wonder how Himalayan singing bowls fit into this philosophy. Well, Feng Shui practitioners believe that sound waves have a significant impact on the energy of space. The resonating tones produced by these bowls are thought to clear stagnant or negative energy and enhance the flow of positive energy. And here's how it works. When you play a Himalayan singing bowl, the sound vibration fills the room, creating a sense of balance and tranquility. This sound has the power to clear away any negative energy or blockages in your space, restoring harmony and vitality. Singing bowls are often used to cleanse and purify a room or an entire home. The soothing tones can help disperse any negative energy and replace it with fresh, positive energy. This can be particularly useful when you move into a new space, experience a period of stress, or just want to refresh your living environment. In Feng Shui, each area of our homes often represents different aspects of your life, from health to relationship to wealth and career. Singing bowls can be strategically placed in these areas to enhance the energy associated with them. Now, by incorporating these bowls into your Feng Shui practice, you can actually create a more balanced and harmonious living space. It's like a sonic makeover for your home, bringing in serenity, positive energy that needs to thrive. Another important usage of these instruments that's impossible to ignore is their role in chakra balancing. It's believed that these bowls have a unique resonance that corresponds to the different energy centers in our body. Chakras, our energy centers, are vital components in several spiritual and healing traditions. It's believed that there are 7 main chakras aligned the spine. Each one is associated with a different aspect of our physical and emotional well-being. When these chakras are in balance, they contribute to our overall vitality and harmony. So, how did the Himalayan singing bowl come into play with the chakra balancing? Now, these bowls are said to produce specific resonances that correspond to each of the main chakra. When played, each bowl emits a distinct sound that aligns with a particular energy center in the body. This resonance can be used as a balance and harmonize the chakras. By using specific singing bowls that match the frequency of these chakras, individuals can facilitate chakra balancing. This practice involves playing the relevant bowl while focusing on the associated chakra, aiming to restore its natural balance. This balancing act can have a profound effect on your physical as well as your emotional well-being. When your chakras are in harmony, it's like a symphony of energy flowing through your body, promoting health, vitality, and emotional good feelings. In your practitioner training course, we teach about chakras and chakra balancing. We help students achieve a deeper understanding of their energy centers and how to harmonize them using the enchanting sound of Himalayan singing bowls. But the Himalayan singing bowls aren't just therapeutic. They can be also beautiful addition to your home, to your office. Their aesthetic charm and spiritual significance make them a perfect choice for enhancing the ambience of your space. These bowls add a touch of elegance and spirituality, turning any room into a sanctuary of serenity. They are more than just functional. They are truly works of art, crafted with precision and care. These bowls are often made from a unique blend of metals, each contributing to the rich, sonorous tones they produce. Their shapes and designs vary, making each one a unique piece of craftsmanship. Whether you are a practitioner or novice, Himalayan singing bowl can become a cherished piece of decor that brings a sense and serenity and spirituality into your living space. I hope you have gained a deeper appreciation, understanding for the versatility and remarkable qualities they can bring to your life as a tool for relaxation, therapy, Feng Shui, enhancement, chakra balancing aids, or just stunning elements of home decor. These bowls are more than just instruments. They are gateways to serenity as well as well-being. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to more exciting content. Until next time, may the soothing sounds of Himalayan singing bowl bring you peace and harmony into your life. Take care, and I see you next time. Stay happy and healthy.